So hello everyone. I wanted to share a trade I made in NQ today. So right now I'm at the first. Right now I'm at 12:30 or 12:40, kind of like there. It keeps moving now, moving down. I took the entry right here. Let me show you as usual. So I took it. Let's do it here. Right there, you see here, it's the entry. The first target went there for three contracts, and then the second the second is going to be stopped at some point. It's not coming up yet, but that is this one is the stop that I have so far. So let me see here. It's coming back a little bit. Probably it's going to reverse. So $1,200 there. And these are two contracts, right? So I have three contracts here, and two contracts are remaining. Let's see how big the move is. It's approaching the support area at one of the Bollinger Bands. So let me show you that. So you see here in Thinkorswim, I do have this open still, and my target here is this standard deviation right there. So let's see what it does. Probably it's going to, I mean, it's already moved quite a bit. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 breaks. So let's see if it goes beyond that. Okay, so it seems that there's a little bit of congestion in this area here, but it's trying to break below, so we'll see. In the oh, there you go. So a couple of more breaks there. It's breaking. Now I'm at 1300 there. If it comes back, yes, I'm gonna do probably $1,000 or something like that. We'll see. 1400 now. And if you see let me show you the small bar. This one is for let's see here. The Uni Renko, and this one is 41020 for NQ, and it's breaking another one, making a lower low here, and seems that there was a trigger here. We'll see if it moves again above this higher or lower high, and see how much can do. When I said that there was a congestion, I was referring to actually this area here. See, so you have up, down, up, and then down. So we'll see if it continues. time to probably recover a little bit and go back up. So there's congestion now coming up. That break failed, and then it's trying to move up now, which is normal because it's already pretty extended. We'll see if it breaks above this this week here, and if it does, yep, it does. It did it. So okay, so. Okay, so that was the trade, and I think that I'm done for today. It's 3 p.m. and I think that it's good. I'm using and this is the profit for today, 22.40, and I'm gonna leave it there. And I'm using an automated trading for this one now, so it would trigger it by itself. And yeah, that is a trade. Thank you so much for watching.